Okay, here's my unboxing video. I'm mainly doing this for myself because there's like a billion other unboxing videos. But here's my box. I've already cut it open. And there it is. Woohoo! Awesome, eh? So once we discard that stuff, we can get to the main attraction. So, got the 16 gigabyte Wi-Fi model. The box is very small, as one would expect. Here's the tricky part. And there it is. Very snug fit. Hang on, I'll put this down again. Oh, look at that. I missed the tab. Tab right here for pulling it out. You don't hurt yourself. There it is. Covered in plastic, as you would expect. And because I'm a geek, I'm going to keep that. There it is in all its glory. Oh, dang, you can see me. Okay, there we go. Apple logo. iPad, 16 gigabyte. We'll just go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. Okay, nothing. Okay, it's probably shut down. There we go. Oh, I gotta activate it. Okay, so much for that. We're gonna turn itself off, okay? To that later. And then we've got our little design by Apple. And there's not much to it. You got your Apple stickers, and you got a little screeny thing. Seems a lot less elaborate than other devices. Alright, here's a shocker. No dock. No dock. Just the AC adapter and a charge cord. And then it's just plastic. No dock included, so there's an extra 30-40 bucks for you to spend right off the bat. And well, that was it. Now I get to go sync it up with my computer. I'm not going to document that. That's going to take a while. So all right. So there you go. I'll post something when it's all up and ready. All right. Okay, we're done.